doctor may have lost his identity. Doctors, nurses, and dentists are caught in a financial mess triggered by identity theft. It's so bad, every Hoosier federal lawmaker is now joining that battle. Call 6 investigator Rafael Sanchez has the story.
There is no immediate cure on what may ail your doctor. Health professionals have been targeted in a widespread case of identity theft involving their tax returns. The Indiana State Medical Association tells the Call 6 investigators that they've received more than 200 complaints. Health professionals who've been unable to file their federal return because someone is using their name had already done it. Others received refund checks before submitting their tax forms, and some are learning that their identity was used to open a prepaid card to receive stolen refunds. Mike Reinbold is with the State Medical Association.
And it varies in terms of what's being used to commit the fraud. Sometimes it's the physician's name, sometimes it's other names, either a spouse or sometimes in some cases we've heard of patients.
Doctors and nurses in 4 other states, including Michigan and North Carolina, are reporting similar complaints. Indiana's entire congressional delegation is asking the Internal Revenue Service to get to the bottom of this problem. We reached out to Senator Dan Coates at his Washington, D.C. office.
Somebody out there or some group out there has obviously gotten a hold of information, tapped into it through some kind of cyber theft. IRS has capacity and capabilities to try to track that down. And of course, then once they do, we can get turned over to law enforcement officials and arrests can be made.
The U.S. Justice Department says it recognizes the scope of the problem. They say they filed more than 800 criminal charges against people around the country. Rafael Sanchez, RTV6.